Breaking news! A cute little pig is being beamed up by aliens. Is it for a space pet or a galactic barbecue? Alright, Scribble peeps, we quickly laid down our pencil sketch. So we're ready to bring this scene to life, just in time before the aliens mistake our pig for a space snack. Let's start by giving our piggy a sturdy chin, and then we can draw the nose, so it can sniff out any tasty treats hiding in space. And we will give our pig 2 cheerful dots for the eyes. After that, complete his head with some floppy ears and a tuft of hair. With sturdy front legs ready for takeoff, let's complete our little astronaut by adding the rear legs and a curly tail. After all, every space pig needs one to wag with excitement. Next, it's time to add the beaming rays from the spaceship. These rays are like a cosmic lasso, swooping down to scoop our pig up for an unforgettable ride through the galaxy. And now let's draw the lower part of the spaceship, creating a solid base for our intergalactic ride. After all, this ride should be a blast, not a piggy disaster. If you don't want to miss any of our exciting drawing escapades, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Now, let's draw the top part of the spaceship, starting with 2 windows, because every space traveler needs a good view. We wouldn't want our pig to miss out on the sights. While finishing up with the 2 antennas, let's brainstorm some vibrant colors we can use, because what's a spaceship without a splash of color to make it shine? And there you have it, our colorful alien spaceship and pig are ready. If you want more free out-of-this-world videos like this, visit scribblepeeps.com. Bye.